Divine One, I need you to remember that while the essence of what you are, universal consciousness, is infinite and immortal, your mind, body, and ego are not. You have one lifetime in this reality, one lifetime to experience this perspective, and tomorrow, well, that's never promised. I've seen the way you've held back, waiting for a better day, waiting to cultivate the deepest levels of aliveness based on the conditions your mind has created. But Divine One, living in a box isn't living at all. You have everything you need right now to experience joy, happiness, and bliss. Can you step away from the qualifications and simply live a limitless life as if it were your last day? Can you taste water as if it were your last time? Breathe each breath as if it were your last. Savor each touch, kiss, embrace as if you'd never have another. When you live life in each moment, you become fully alive, fully attuned to the universal consciousness that creates miracles. It is from there you can truly have it all. So open your eyes like this world is brand new and live each moment like it's your last.